We have two fish that we are going to use. Two Titus fish. This is what we are using. So my people, let's go there. So now I be we want to use join them smoked fish. So I'm going to wash it, then we'll add it up to it. Join Mommy Blessing Kitchen to cook, guys. Yes, this is our beef. We are boiling beef. We want to prepare stew. As you can see, we have some cow leg, beef, chicken, fresh chicken, dried chicken. We have two types of beef. We have beef with the bone. We also have beef with the as in the beef. We have a fresh beef. We have two types of beef, and we also have two types of chicken, strong chicken, dried one, and we have shaki, abodi. Yes, so this is all we got here, guys. So cook with me, guys. Now we have put our groundnut oil. The meat is ready. There's another groundnut oil here for frying. So now we have put our onions. Now we are frying the meat, as you can see, with the rest one we have here. So now we have our blended red bell pepper and onions and fresh pepper. So I am sorry, guys, that I am not taking you guys along the way it's supposed to be. So just bear with me. I'm with my baby, also with the rest of the kids. You know these holiday things. So we'll leave it to steam a little bit before we add the rest of the tomatoes. These one are the tomatoes now. So let's go. Wash as we put it in. As you can see, we have put it together. So we have to turn it. You put the maggi now and the aroma. You will see the tomatoes at the end. Let's see. To give it a very nice flavor. You will see what we are up to. You see this stew is getting thicky. Don't worry, just wash and see what we're doing. So guys, as you can see, this is the outcome of the stew. So we changed the pot because it's too big. The pot is too, I just prepared it in the other pot, and now we're adding some of our meat, and this is the meat that we fried. Fish, the berrarier. So let's go. Because I don't like to fry the whole of the meat. That's why I like to do it like this. This is my own way. We have different ways of cooking. So now this is the fried one also. The fish. That pot was too small, so it's not something that I can use. I just use it to cook the stew because I like make it dry, as in make the stew before I use any other pot. That's how I cook my stew. If I'm cooking more stew, this is what I do. This one and the berrarier. sorry for the noise, guys. The noise is too much. The kids. We'll leave and check jelly now. Hey, this is where we are, guys. The stew is ready. This is the finishing of the stew, as you can see. So join me to enjoy. Leave your comments in the comment section. What you think about it. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about it. Let me know in the comment section. And please, don't forget to follow Mommy Blessing Kitchen. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page, Starley Family TV, YouTube as well. Starley Family TV on YouTube. As you do so, God bless you. Like and love the video, guys. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.